Good morning, student. My name is Aubrey Francis, and I am going to teach you English literature today of class 6. So let us start the lesson. And the name of the chapter is Meeting Zan by Michael Moore. This is the name of the author. Flipping through his mother's book, a young boy named Yannick admires the beauty of the countryside of Provence as painted by the master painter Zan. One summer, he gets the chance to go and spend time with his uncle's family who lives there. Yannick soon begins to enjoy his stay, occasionally helping his uncle run the village inn. One day, there is a bustle at the inn. For a famous man, the inn's best customer comes visiting. Who is this man and why is there such a fuss about his visit? So this is a story about a boy. His name is Yannick. This is the name of and one day he decides to go to his uncle's place who lives in a countryside to spend his time there. And when he goes over there, at the beginning he starts enjoying his stay there. And occasionally he used to go to his uncle's inn. Inn means a hotel. And he used to go and help his uncle. So one day what happens was suddenly a famous man comes to visit the inn. And there is a lot of fuss about that person visiting the inn. So let us read this chapter and come to know what it is all about, this lesson. That evening, my cousin Amandine told me I had to do everything properly because their best customer was coming to dine with some friends. So this boy Yannick over here, he used to help his uncle in the inn. And that evening, Amandine is the daughter of his uncle. She told Yannick that he has to prepare everything properly in the inn. Because that evening, a famous person, he is going to come to the inn to have some dinner with his friends. He lived in the chateau in the village. So this person was supposed to come and have dinner. This person lived in a chateau. Chateau means a large French country home. She said, and was very famous. She's talking to this Amandine, she's talking to Yannick, and she said that this famous person is going to come and have dinner here. Therefore, Yannick, you need to prepare the inn properly. Take care of the inn. When I asked what he was famous for, she didn't reply. Then this Yannick, he was also, they wanted to know why this person famous and who is this person. Therefore, he asked a question. He asked Amanda, who is this person and what he is famous for. But Amanda didn't reply. Question, always question, she touched. Touched means made a sound expressing annoyance. He didn't give a clear reply who this person is. Amandine said, go and fetch the log. So Amandine told Yannick, you don't ask question, you go and bring the logs and come. We have to get things ready for that famous person as he's coming for dinner today. Whoever he was, he looked like an ordinary man without much hair. So this man, he has arrived, he has come, and this person, whoever he was, he looked like an ordinary man. And he did not have hair on him. He was bald. But I felt very pleased when the famous man ate one of my creme brulee. Creme brulee, it is a dessert. So this Yannick is saying he was very happy when this famous man ate one of his creme brulee. That is a dessert dish. After the man and his guest left, we began to clear the table. So dinner over here, that man came again, had dinner, and everything he went away. Then Amandine and Yannick started clearing the table. I pulled the tablecloth off, crunched it and threw it into the fire as usual. So Yannick took the tablecloth, crunched it, it was a paper actually, and then he threw the paper into the fire. Suddenly Amanda went rushing past me. For some reason, she grabbed the tongs and tried to pull out the remnants of the burning tablecloth. And suddenly when this boy, Yannick, he threw the paper into the fire, Amanda she went past Yannick. And she took the tong. Tong means a device used to pick up hot thing. And she wanted to take out the paper from the fire. The paper which the Yannick threw into the fire. But it was already too late. Then she turned to me. And when she took out the remaining part of the paper, it was completely burnt. And then Amanda, she looked towards Yannick. "You fool!" she shouted. "You little fool!" She's telling Yannick that you are a fool. You are a little fool. "What?" I said. "The man who just left does a drawing on the tablecloth as a tip for Papa if he likes his meal." Then she said that the paper which you have thrown actually into the fire, it is actually a tip written by that man. Whenever he likes something, he makes a drawing on the tablecloth and he leaves it there. If he likes the food. And this paper, you threw it into the fire. You went and threw it into the fire. He is the most famous painter in the world. Idiot. And then she said that that person who was having dinner, he is the most famous person in the world. And you have done such a thing. Then she called Yannick an idiot. She was in tears now, and then she started crying. So let us proceed. Everything in the restaurant stopped. Everyone in the restaurant stopped eating and went silent. And when she shouted at Yannick, and when she started crying, everybody in the restaurant it was silent everywhere. Everybody kept silent in the restaurant. Then Uncle Bruno came striding towards us, unlike his jolly self. "What is it?" he asked Amanda. And then Uncle Bruno, uncle means this is the uncle of Yannick and father of Amanda, he came and he asked, "What is the matter? Why is there so much problem going on here?" He asked his daughter Amanda. "It was Yannick, Papa," she cried. "He threw it into the fire, the tablecloth, the drawing." And then she said, "It was Yannick, Papa. Yannick threw the tablecloth into the fire." So, based on this explanation now, I would like to give you some question and answer. Therefore, please take out your copy and try to write the question and answers. going to visit the inn? The question here, who was going to visit the inn? Question mark. Was he someone important? Question mark. How do you know? Answer. This is the first part of the answer. A famous man, the inn's best customer, was going to visit the inn. Next is, was he someone important? Yes. Yes, he was important as well, I don't know over here and the number of the answer. After this, start writing from here. The best customer was coming to dine with some friend. Time over here to come and have dinner. Okay, dinner is so this is answer number 1. Now let us proceed towards answer number 2. Question number 2 is, why did Amanda try to remove the burning